Thank you for visiting my channel. This is yet another tech channel. Here you will learn about useful development tools, products, primarily focused on e-commerce technologies and its ecosystem. Today we are going to talk about a fabulous, simple, and very effective tool called NGROK. This tool exposes your local service or application with a public URL. It creates a tunnel between your public URL and your local in a secure way and exposes your port number. There are a lot of use cases. Um, you can use it to showcase your local work in demos or for debugging and do some automations as well. The license is free for one account and one instance. If you want to use for multiple local services or applications, then you need to upgrade your account. For today, I'm going to show you how to use a single instance. These are the steps that we need to follow to get it started. First, I'll go and create an account in NGROK. Then we can download your NGROK as per your OS. Then we need to follow these steps. First, let me go and create an account and then download. To get it started, I'll first go and sign up in NGROK. Once you sign up, it will give you the steps to install and get the NGROK started. The first step is to download your version. Since I'm using Mac, I'm going to download the Mac version. I already copied into my local folder. So this is the zip file that got downloaded from the site. And once I unzip it, I'll be getting an exe. Let me go to the terminal. Okay, the next step is to run this command to store your auth token. Once you run this command, your auth token will be copied to your local home folder. Each time you execute this NGROK, it uses its OAuth token to create the link. The next step is to expose your HTTP service and which is running in your local port number 3000. Let me show you my application which is running in this port. So this is my application running in my local. I'm going to expose it to the public URL. So NGROK, my service is HTTP and the port number is 3000. Once you execute, it will show the status. Now it's online, your account information, and what kind of plan you're using, and also it gives the URL that is exposed in public. Once you run this public URL, you should be able to see your application. That's it. You have just exposed your local using your public URL, and you can share it with your friends or to other applications for demo and testing purpose. It also exposes another application in port 4040. It will show all the metrics and requests that are getting executed in the backend using your OAuth token. If you want, you can replay and execute any one of this request. If you go to status tab, it will give you the status what is a tunnel and what is the OAuth token that's been used for getting this secure connection. That's all from my side. So this is a very interesting and unique tool which you can use to expose your local. If you have any questions or queries, just post. I will try to answer. But this tool is just so simple that you can start in minutes.